Part 1. Tommy was lying in bed, his thoughts drifting as he listened to the familiar sounds of the farm outside his window. The gentle rustle of the wind through the trees, the occasional hoot of an owl, and the distant barking of a dog were all part of the comforting symphony of the night. But suddenly, amidst these familiar sounds, there came a sharp and jarring noise, a gunshot. Gunshots were not unusual for Tommy. Growing up on a farm in Nebraska, he had become accustomed to the sound of his pa's gun. His father was an esteemed gun collector, and the gun was often fired to ward off pesky predators that threatened their livestock. But this gunshot was different. It echoed through the house, bouncing off the walls with an unsettling intensity. It was as if the very walls of their home were crying out in anguish.